not having a whole cup.
Okay, get ready. Hey, he got
I
it.
knew I couldn't drink a whole cup.
Oh,
Half
okay.
a cup would warm me up nicely, so that's good enough. Mommy, you're a lucky lady to have two such sweet babies.
I know it.
Yummy hot.
That's exactly right. No cold. Oh, get ready, get ready.
Watch out, look. Get ready, Andrew.
Come on. It's taking longer than it should, huh?
Oh, I think maybe it's not stuck all the way.
He was being very patient.
It's stuck all the way. Maybe I stuck it too much.
Use one of the other
All
ones.
right, let's try. Okay, get ready. Yeah.
That one, maybe that one's resting.